This is becoming all too frequent.
Right. Third time.
Third time?
Third time.
How do you deal with it?
You just call Serve Pro and try
Just
to
like
get
the other
everything-
2 times.
Yeah, try to get everything dried down and deodorized and whatever.
It's heartbreaking.
The biggest headache, of course, is the rugs.
Of course.
All the leaves over the road, more than 20 years.
At least some of it's really old enough that it's worth refinishing, you know?
Yeah.
But still, this isn't what we should be having to deal with.
No, and there's drains, on the side street, and one of them is not doing anything.
Right.
Water's just flowing over it.
I can only imagine how this makes you feel.
It's not good. Then the cars come by and splash the water up on the door.